Hey y'all, welcome back to Homegrown Hydroponics cooking series. Today we are making a chicken pesto pizza. For this recipe we will need 1 pound of boneless and skinless chicken breast, 6 ounces of feta cheese, 3 garlic cloves, half a cup shredded mozzarella cheese, 1 cup ricotta cheese, 1 cup of pineapple chunks, a pre-made pesto sauce, salt, and then pepper. First, cut chicken into small slices. Season chicken with salt and pepper. Mix the chicken to give an even coating of seasoning. Remove 3 cloves of garlic from the bulb and then peel off the skin. Once the skin is removed, set aside the garlic cloves for later. Add your oil to the pan and begin to heat over medium. Once your oil is warm, add your garlic cloves to the pan and cook for around 90 seconds. After about a minute or two, remove your garlic from the pan, set them aside and allow them to cool. In the same pan, add your chicken and begin to cook. While keeping an eye on your chicken, begin mincing your garlic. Once garlic is completely minced, set aside for later. At this point, you can preheat your oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Brush some olive oil on your flatbread and season with salt. While your oven is still warming, you can place your seasoned flatbread in and allow it to heat up. Keep your bread in the warming oven for 5 to 7 minutes. With the chicken still cooking, add your minced garlic to the pan and continue to cook. After the garlic has been added to the pan, cook for an additional 2 minutes or until chicken is cooked thoroughly. Remove the chicken from the pan and keep warm. After its allotted time, remove the bread from the oven and begin spreading pesto sauce on the bread as a base. On top of the pesto, begin spreading shredded mozzarella cheese to top. Next, lightly sprinkle feta cheese crumbles on top of the mozzarella. Finally, top the pizza with pineapple chunks. Place the pizza back in the oven and cook for 5 to 7 minutes. Keep an eye on your pizza and do not burn the cheese. Remove the pizza from your oven and then begin topping it with ricotta cheese. The last topping to add is your cooked chicken. Cut into pieces and serve warm. We hope that you enjoyed this video and thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can stay up to date on our latest videos. Follow us on social media for more videos, recipes, and updates. If you're interested in having your own hydroponic garden and growing your own veggies like the ones used in this video, follow the links in the description and start making fresher, healthier, and more nutritious meals from the comfort of your own home.